Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create maps in Tableau. So let's connect to data. Click on connect data and it is a Microsoft Excel file. Click on Microsoft Excel and this is the data file, American Universities. Select this file and click on open. And let's start looking at our data. In the first column we have the American University, the list of the American universities. In the second column, the type of that university, if that university is public or profit or for not profit. And in the third column, we have the state where that university is located. And in the next columns, we have the number of students enrolled in different types of degrees. In this column, we have the total enrollment number of students, the total graduates, and the last one is the percentage of graduates. Let's have a look at the data types for each column. The first one is ABC, which is correct because it is a name. Let's expand and see the names. The second one is also correct because ABC is string and we have names. Third one is identified or recognized by Tableau as spatial information or spatial data, and Tableau is developed to recognize countries and states and cities. But in some cases, Tableau cannot recognize a state or a city of a country for several reasons. Could be because of the misspelling of the word, or there are two cities and the same name in two different states or in two different countries. And in this case, we need to do that manually to solve this issue. And if you look at other columns, we find that the type of these data are ABC or string, which is not correct. They are numbers. Number of students, of degrees, or number of graduates. So we need to correct these mistakes when we switch to sheet. So click on sheet and let's see what we can do here. Select associate degrees awarded and drop it here. And select number whole because these are number of students. And you need to do the same thing for bachelor degrees, doctoral degrees, doctoral degrees research, master degrees, total enrollment, total graduates. Drag them into measures. And you need to change the data type for each of them to number. So click this one. This is number whole. Same thing, same thing, same thing. Percentage of graduates is also a number, but it is a fraction. So drag it here in measures and click on ABC, and this time you should select number decimal. And because the state is recognized as spatial data, Tableau already created a latitude and longitude for each state, made by Tableau. And the reason for creating the latitude and longitude for each state is to create maps. Number of records here is the number of universities in our dataset. If we switch back to data source, you will see that each record or row is a university and the information for that university. So the total number of universities is the total number of records. So let's switch back to the sheet and let's drag and drop number of records in the canvas. And you will see that we have 1,434 universities. Let's drag and drop state into rows. And you will see that number is divided based on each state. So you'll find that Alabama has 14 universities, Alaska 1, Arizona 5, and so on. And after we completed fixing most of the problems here, in the next tutorial we are going to create the first map.